Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Rainbow Smash in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we gotta draw the eyeball first. So it's just gonna be one big circle. And then let's go ahead and draw in the little iris. And then from here, just kind of come a little bit below and just draw another circle. And this is gonna be the ring, the inside of the ring. Okay? And then from this one, we're gonna draw the little strap. So we're gonna go out this way. And then from here, just go out. Let's make it a little bit wider at the top. Then we're just gonna close this. And let's draw another one up here on the side. This is gonna be in the front. So we're gonna go out. It's a little bit tricky just because it's gonna be in perspective again. So it's very much like the llama that we drew earlier. Okay, so from here, now let's just draw in the same line here on this side. This will be the top of the head. Okay, and then we're gonna draw one more here. There's 3 straps. And then after we get the strap, now we're gonna draw in the outer side of the ring. Okay, so that's the full ring. We have the eyeball, and then now let's go on to the front. So continuing this line, we're gonna draw the snout area. So we're gonna angle it, come back in, and then we're gonna draw a circle here. And there's gonna be some detail here. This is gonna be kind of like for the mouth, the jaw. And then we're just gonna close this off. Okay, and then from here, we can draw in the little jaw. So just go ahead and draw 2 lines like that and just close it off. Okay, and then let's finish off the neck area. And once we finish this off, then we're gonna be able to draw the other side in perspective. So from here, we can go down. And then here, we're gonna continue this line. Just kind of go down and just curve it a little bit. And then just connect these two. Okay, so that's the side of the horse. So now we're gonna make it 3-dimensional. So let's draw in, well actually, wait, sorry. We need to draw in one of the ear first. So here, just kind of go up. It's gonna be one of the ear. Down. And then just curve it in. Okay, so now we got the ear too. All right, so now we're gonna make it 3-dimensional, and let's draw in the horn. So just out here floating in nowhere, just draw in a little curve, and then we're just gonna go out. So this is just a unicorn, so this is gonna be really simple. And we can draw in some lines like this, some curves all along the sides. All right, so now let's make it 3-dimensional. So now we're gonna go out. So from here, just go out in that direction. From here, we're gonna go out in this direction. So same direction as, as these lines. And then we're gonna go out, okay? And this one is gonna go in. Now we're following this line now. So we're gonna come back down, all the way down, close that off. And then for this one, we'll close this one off. So it's the same direction, that's the key. So here, down here, same direction as this. So we're gonna go out, and then to close this one off, same direction as this. So that's the front of the head, so let's draw in the mouth. So again, out, same direction. And then let's see, there's some teeth right here. So let's draw this line, and then go out, come back in, draw another line, close that off to the corner, and then push that one back to the corner. And then for this one, we'll just close it off, same as that direction. So that's gonna be the teeth. Okay, and then let's see the neck. So we're gonna go, see this direction, same direction again. Just go out a little bit. And then now same line as this one, so now. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, but it kind of looks cool, right? 3-dimensional. So here we're gonna just follow this line here. We'll just close that off, and then on this one, we'll just close that off. Okay, I know I'm missing a little bit of detail, but it's okay. All right, so now let's draw in, well, let's draw in on the ear. We need to make it three-dimensional. So let's go out a little bit, close it. And then now this one's a little tricky. Just draw a little bit of line. Okay, and then now let's draw the mane. So we're gonna come out from here. We're just gonna go out. And then I'm just gonna draw one continuous line, and you guys drawing with pencils, you guys can erase it. So we're gonna curve it out all the way in, all the way out, and then we're gonna pinch it in, and then right at the tail here, at the end of the neck, just come back in. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in, let's make it three-dimensional. So we're gonna draw in, just go out a little bit, and then we're gonna curve it. And this is gonna be a little bit tricky. You wanna curve it and just make it tighter here. And it's gonna disappear right there. Okay? And then let's see, before we draw the other lines, let's draw the other ear. There's gonna be one more. So like here, go out. Okay, so it's almost the same as this shape here. And then now we're gonna just go out again on that corner, close it off, and then again, same curve, just come down. Okay, not too bad, right? All right, so now let's see for here, there's little openings here, right? And so I'm just gonna draw in these little opening angles here for now. Just gonna draw in a bunch of them, some smaller, some larger. One larger here. So really these lines right here should disappear, but since I can't erase, I'll just leave it there. And then once we have these, just kind of go back in the same direction wherever you have these corners. Okay, just go back. Okay, and then from here you can draw in these lines in this direction. Okay, so now it's three-dimensional. Of course, you know, I just have to erase those out and they'll look correct. And then even back here, I'll draw some of those. Okay, and let's see, there's some details here. Yeah, just like a rainbow here. So this one's easy. So 1, 2, and 3. And then let's see, one more. And this one's gonna be jaggedy here. So it doesn't have to be exact, just as long as you have some kind of jaggedy line. And it looks like there's some kind of pattern in here. Okay, and then let's see, and then I guess the staff area, just draw one curve. This is three-dimensional. This is a little bit tricky as well. Draw another one. Okay, now we're just gonna go down, and I'm not gonna draw it as long as it should be because I would run out of paper space. So you can make it longer if you want. Okay, so just come down and just close it off with a curve. And then now to make it three-dimensional here, we're gonna draw one curve like this, come straight down, and then we're gonna curve it, same curve. And once you have that, draw in the opposite curve on the other side. So now it looks three-dimensional. And now to draw the wheel, we're just gonna draw this curve here. Okay, and then we're gonna come straight across like this, same direction as this line. Come across. And the same curve as that one. And now draw the opposite curve. Okay, and then on the inside, we'll draw in a little, it's basically this curve but smaller. So that's one wheel. And for the other wheel, we're gonna draw this line over here. Okay, so it's gonna be, you're gonna see less of it. Two straight lines, which is gonna be that. And then we're gonna close it off with the same curve. Now we're gonna draw in the opposite curve. And that is it for this Rainbow Smash from Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.